Got a little bit of a different video today. I have a lot of tires that I need to mount for the next event, and you know, I thought I'd try something a little fun, a little different. We're gonna see how fast I can mount all these tires. I have the Fiat currently just loaded up with tires. I've got 6 tires altogether that I need to mount. I only have 4 that I need to dismount, and then I have 2 rims that don't have any tires on them. So we're just gonna see how long it takes me to mount all these things. I've been fortunate enough to have a tire machine at school that I've been able to use to mount all my tires for drifting, but unfortunately, I only have about 2 actual days left in class, and then I'm just totally done with my schooling. So we're gonna utilize one of my last days to mount as many tires as I can fit in my Fiat, which is actually surprisingly a lot. We're gonna bust over to class real quick. I think I'm actually about to be late. I really gotta get going, so I'll see you guys over in class. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's completely loaded. So I made it to class, just got my temperature checked. Now, disclaimer, I am by no means a professional tire changer, so don't expect this to be super fast. My technique is definitely not there, so don't give me shit in the comments, because I know I'm probably not doing it the best way. But, I don't know. I think I might be able to do it pretty fast, though. Alright, so I didn't know if you could hear me over there, but I have a couple 15s that are just kind of mismatches that I'm going to be throwing on. And then along with those, I have 4 tires that I'm going to be putting on those 16-inch rims over there. So this is going to be pretty fun, I think. So I'm going to start the time as soon as I touch my first tire. Time's going to be like down over in the corner over here. And I don't have like a stopwatch going right now, so I'm not going to be able to know until after this is done how fast I went. So I guess let's send it. This thing does not want to be. I think I got an alright pace going right now. I'm not going to be balancing these tires because they're just going to get burned off anyways, so honestly to me, it doesn't really matter. Bitch. Oh, it did not come off the back. Come on. Get up. Doesn't want to come off the speed. Oh, Jesus. Well, nah. Y'all are gonna be flaming me so hard. There we go. No. Boom, numero dos, down. That's not gonna want to seat right next to the valve stem, so there's a little gap. I'm gonna have to finagle this one. Nice, there we go. Hey, 3 down. Oh jeez. What the fun?
Watch your profanity.
Oh, that was. There we go. Get that back on there. One more. Oh, come on. Home stretch. Let's get it, dude. Oh, I'm out of breath, bro. I'm so sweaty. Oh, geez. Time. That was good. I need to look back at the video to see how fast I did that. That felt pretty fast though. So just under 20 minutes. I'm actually pretty happy with that. That's not too bad. What is that, like roughly like a little over 3 minutes per tire? Not the greatest in the world, not the worst in the world, so I'm pretty happy. I'm glad I got that done though. Now we have to load all this stuff back up in the Fiat. I'm yours. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a fun time making it, honestly. It was pretty fun seeing how fast I could actually switch tires. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.